Just days after the okay for children as young as 5 to get the Pfizer COVID vaccine, demand is already outpacing supply in many areas. Finding a shot immediately can be a tough task.
Yeah, some parents telling us it looks to be several weeks before they can get an appointment. The reduced dose of Pfizer's vaccine approved now for kids ages 5 to 11. Testing showed side effects are mild. The most common one is a sore arm where that shot was given. Also today, more workers will be required to get a vaccine or weekly COVID test. Michael Abeda has that coming up in just a moment for you. First, we want to get over to Marissa Armas joining us from Golden tonight. Marissa, parents just need to keep trying. They will eventually get that appointment.
That's correct. Right now, demand is high for these vaccines. And here in Jefferson County, they've been vaccinating kids all day. And today, the big message doctors say for parents is to be patient.
We're seeing them 100% filled up, and they've been filling up within hours.
Many parents across Colorado are eager to get their kids vaccinated.
We know that for a few weeks here, we're going to have demand that outpaces our supply, and we're seeing that already.
Jefferson County Public Health plans to administer about 1,000 doses of the COVID-19 vaccine for kids in its first week. The county has about 44,000 kids between ages 5 to 11.
Those appointments are taking a little bit longer than, say, someone over the age of 12 or an adult.
While Jefferson County is struggling to meet demand, one of Denver's main healthcare providers, Denver Health, has several appointments available. The hospital rolls out its vaccines for kids on Monday.
So we're offering vaccines in our clinic sites, but we're also offering them in our buildings. And so if you can't get in to see a provider and get a vaccine as part of that appointment, you should be checking in.
Similar to what we saw when the vaccine rolled out for adults, Denver Health says while it does have appointments now, they do expect to see a bottleneck in vaccine distribution, but they say patience is key.
Not to panic. There will be a little bit of waiting in the first few weeks, surely, but I suspect that before too long, people who want to get their children an appointment for a COVID vaccine are going to be able to do so.
And Denver Health says that they're working with community organizations to make sure that kids in marginalized communities are getting access to that vaccine. And those appointments are taking a little longer, not only because they're working to comfort the child, but answer any questions that parents may have. In Golden, Marissa Armas covering Colorado First.
All right, Marissa, thank you. Well, tonight